guys, we're off.
I am an ecologist. One of my main interests is trying to understand the abundance of organisms, mostly rodents. And so what we did here this morning is we went out early before the sun came up and we opened up traps so we could see if it was a deer mouse or a vole. We looked to see if they had a mark. If it had a mark, we could just release it right away. If it didn't have a mark, then we marked it with a black fur dye. The reason we marked them is we used the ratio of the marked to unmarked animals on a capture day to estimate the population size, to try to figure out how many rodents are actually living out in our habitat. One of the reasons that I keep coming back to the Rocky Mountain Biological Lab is just the excitement of doing field biology research in such a great environment.
The Rocky Mountain Biological Laboratory is a nonprofit that was founded in 1928. We exist to serve scientists and students, so we provide access to research sites, logistical support, and also create a community of science and education. One of the things that makes us scientifically unique is we have one of the largest collections of long-term research projects in the world. That gives us a unique understanding of what's going on with climate change, and part of that we put together this bike program.
We're really excited about the e-bikes. Last summer we only had one and it was shared by 40 students, so there was clearly really high demand for it. So this year we were able to take advantage of the e-bike rebate system. That allowed us to get more bikes.
Gunnison County Electric is proud to partner with Rumble on their projects, and it's been great to see the e-bike rebate really help make e-bikes more accessible.
I love using the e-bikes. It helps with my different field sites. They're pretty far from each other and sometimes I need to get there really fast.
We have to get up before the sun comes up to get out to let the rodents out of their traps. So it's really helpful to have the e-bikes. And like the second you use them, it's just so fun.
This has always been a mecca for people to come to learn about field biology. One of the things that keeps me coming back year after year, this is my 40th summer, is just that environment of having that scientific community.
When I got paired up with Rosemary to be my mentor, I was super excited because I thought that could give me a great perspective on the different ecosystems that we have here in the United States.
I've always loved the outdoors and I've always loved science, and it's just been so exciting.
The world's going through a transition, so e-bikes, all of these ways that allow us to reimagine the world, they reduce our impacts and they make the world a better place for us to interact with.